Yeah, and it is interesting, especially now with generative AI, that space, I think, in terms of protecting people, protecting consumer becomes even more critical. Tell us a little bit about what you do in your role today, if you don't mind, and kind of maybe that journey of how you went from, training like 17,000 officers across the country to maybe some of the things that you're focusing on today.
Yeah, so I'm at a new startup. It's called Secure Labs, and we are a governance risk compliance platform to help companies stay compliant with all of just like the evolving state and federal laws that there are in compliance. And so I actually love being on a startup. You kind of wear so many hats. And I'll get into that maybe a little bit later on things I would recommend for you if you're just starting out on your career. But being able to wear so many hats really does stretch you. You're learning, you're growing. And so I really like that aspect of just being able to grow. Um, and then in my specific role, I'm doing sales and marketing and just like things that I only got to do a small bit in my former
Mhm.
position. And so it's just really neat, I guess, to see how this industry is so massive and the things that I learned along my first 16, 17 years at my former company, how applicable they are in this just new startup world. It's skill set that just keeps compounding and compounding on top of each other.